So magandang araw o gabi po sa inyo saan man kayo naroon. I am Teta. I am the founder of Hapag Kainam. Okay, I'd like to welcome you. Thank you for joining, and I'd like to share with you a little more about Hapag Kainam para po madali niyong maintindihan kung ano ang ginagawa natin at you can participate and enjoy it with us as well. Okay, so as you can see, sorry, ayan, hapag kainam is a Filipino term. Hapag meaning table, kain, food or eating, inam, wellness. So hapag kainam is a project of the World Council for Health Philippines that aims to be able to offer food as a wellness solution. Our first team meeting was last June 28, 2025. I was able to conceive the idea before June 28, 2025. Di ko po talaga maalala na kung kailan. Alam ko lang it was the Tuesday before that, 28th. Ito na lang po ang gawin nating anniversary ngayon. Now, we are part of the World Council for Health, and the World Council for Health has what we call the Better Way Charter. Okay, this is how we hope to move forwards with all our projects. We act in honor and do no harm. We are free beings with free will. We are part of nature. We recognize the importance of our environment in our health. Spirituality is integral to our well-being. Okay, it's more of finding your purpose instead of knowing your religion. Okay, kasi pag alam mo na yung purpose mo, more or less the religion comes in, you will thrive well with your religion. We thrive together, inclusive po tayo, we value different perspectives, and we use technology with discernment. If you want to know more about the Better Way Charter or the World Council for Health, just go to the website worldcouncilforhealth.org. And you will find a lot of good things there. As in, maganda po yung website, punong-puno yan, maraming maintindihan at matututunan. Now, in the World Council for Health Philippines, we are composed, so far, kami po, tatlo. Ako, si Doc Marivic Villa, at saka si Dr. Homer Lim, ang gumagalaw so far sa World Council for Health. Ang unique po rito sa ating World Council for Health is what we call servant leadership. Dito po kasi, as sinabi ko, kasama ko silang tatlo, magkakasama kaming tatlo, pero wala po kaming mga exact leadership positions or tenure. Okay? Kasi we believe that leadership is considered a task and responsibility, not a platform for ego. Yan po ang pinaka-iniiwasan namin kasi usually dyan ang gagaling ang drama pag may ego yung leader. Okay? Pag matindi ang ego, lahat naman tayo may ego. Pero pag matindi po ang ego ng leader, doon po usually nagsisimula ang drama. So, we want this to be viewed as a task and responsibility, not a place of honor lang. Okay? Because if it's going to be a place or a task of honor, it is because we want to share to the community. You honor the community with what you do best, and you respect each other's strengths and weaknesses. So, kung meron ka kayong kakayanan, kung magaling kayo sa isang bagay, and you think you can take the leadership position, it is because you want to honor the community with what you have. Okay, that's what we mean. Okay, you serve from the heart. Okay, and you have to be sensitive to each other's needs and always be ready to serve. Okay, malahalaga po ito sa amin, ang servant leadership, na maintindihan ng mga tao kasi makakaunsad tayo at makaka-achieve ng projects kung nagkakaintindihan tayo from the top down. Okay? Na hindi top down. Actually, kapag servant leader po kayo, maaring kayo yung nagmo-manage ng lahat, pero kayo din po ang expected na magko-contribute the most. Okay? Kasi naiintindihan nyo anong ginagawa nyo, di ba? So, what are our goals? Okay, para maintindihan nyo rin po itong part na to, yung history po nitong pagtayo nitong hapag kainam is because I was talking to Dr. Jean Rongbi. She's World Council for Health Denmark. Nag-uusap kami. She was in Thailand at that time, nag-chat kami, and she said she was making natto. And sabi ko, ano yung natto? And she was saying, kasi doon pala diniderive ang natto kinase. And I said, naku, ang mahal-mahal ng nattokinase dito, 3,000 something per bottle. Tapos sabi niya, soybeans lang palang ginagamit doon. And at that time, she was doing it with green mung beans, munggo, ang ginagamit niya. So iniisip ko, kung matuturuan ng mga tao gumawa ng natto para magkaroon ng nattokinase sila at maging healthy, lalo na yung mga vaccine injured right now, kailangan nila yung nattokinase para mapuksa yung spike proteins. This is a very healthy, practical, and affordable way to get people to become healthy. So, doon po nag-umpisa ang concept ng hapagkainan. So, we hope to create, find, share recipes and food that are nutritious, affordable, easy to do, at nakagagaling o nakahihilom. Okay, so we'll probably start with the nattokinase project and then move on towards others like bromelain, etc. Let's see how we go. Let's let things flow. And of course, syempre, kung meron na kayo na share, maganda i-promote natin ang discoveries na to via social media at creative art. So, sino man ang may gusto dyan na, kunyari, magtinda ng, bakit ko naisip yung magtinda? Magkumanta, o kaya gusto nyong gumawa ng mga jingle, gusto nyong gumawa ng mga videos, okay? Let's promote these discoveries in the creative ways possible. Tapos, mahalaga po, of course, we engage the community. We give talks on health. We do community outreach. We also give talks to you. Okay, Dr. Rico Santos is actually thinking of giving everyone, having a webinar for everyone about low carb and intermittent fasting. So watch out for that kung hindi pa niya nagagawa at aabot kayo. And then of course, we have to create a book or a website para madaling makuha ng mga tao ang impormasyon nating nakukuha. Now, to be able to do these things, I was thinking we organize each other into 4 task groups as of the moment. Okay? As of the moment, ito muna kasi hindi pa po tayo nagko-community outreach. Pag nag-umpisa yun, we'll just go along and create the other groups as we need them. So right now, we just have a core. That's Doc Rico and me. And hoping to get Ate Isay Palma Singson to say yes also. Kasi sila po ang magaling sa health. Ako po, magaling lang makinig. Pero sila po yung magaling talagang sources of health. We're gonna do administrative consultancy if you need help in understanding your recipes or making sure they're effective kasi baka masyadong matamis or yung mga ganung bagay na baka mamaya akala natin masarap nga pero hindi naman pala healthy lalabas. Okay, so you can always ask Doc Rico for help on that. We will be doing the goal engineering, making sure that we're all moving towards one direction sa goals natin. And of course, trying to promote servant leadership in action. Okay, in practice. Kasi if there's anything na gusto ko pong matutunan ninyo is bukod sa pagiging healthy is sana po pag lumaki ng kaunti ito or meron kayo maisip na ibang projects, maging servant leader din po kayo in your own communities, in your own schools, in your own provinces, or whatever. Okay, so hopefully ma-imbibe nyo din po ang servant leadership. And then the research task goes to, already right now, 2 people are working on it, si Mia at saka si Barbara. They're doing data gathering already. They already did one for omeprazole. And they're already gathering more about the herbs, about different illnesses na meron tayong herbal remedies, na meron mga food recipes. So if you want to help the research team, you can approach Mia, you can message Mia and Barbara Jane. Okay? And sila na rin so far right now ang nagpa-file system para doon sa mga research na nagagawa nila. But the data validation is more of like finding ways to make sure na talaga bang nagiging healthy yung mga tao. So part of that will be going to the Department of Science and Technology to validate kung ano talaga ang nutritional value ng mga recipes. Okay? And then for creatives, of course, yung mga marunong sa visual graphics, sa Canva, copywriting, video production, podcasting, book layout, we'd love help from you so that yung social media management team, yung SOME management, will be able to engage people in Instagram, Facebook, X.com, YouTube, TikTok. Okay? So iba ang gagawa ng mga materials na ipopost para hindi po masyadong mabigat. So kung marunong kayo sa paggawa ng mga reels, sa mga posts, magsabi lang kayo at para yung social media management team makakagalaw po. Ang idea po, the social media management team will be the one engaging the people dun sa mga comment section. Sila na isasagot. They will take care of the Instagram, Facebook, X.com, YouTube, and TikTok. Pero kung gusto din nila, pwede rin naman sila pareho sa creatives at social media management team. Pareho nilang salihan kung gusto nila. Pwede rin po kayong gumawa ng mga YouTube shorts or TikTok videos if you want. Let's just coordinate about it para siguradong tama ang direction natin. So you can join any of these groups, just let me know. Okay? And just for the page rules, we can always share a lot, di ba? Pero minsan kahit na ang ganda ng mga intentions natin, nagkakahidwaan pa rin. So let's make sure lang you are always kind and courteous. You are sharing from a place of love and peace. Hindi po pagalit. This is not the place to share yung mga angst natin against the pharma, etc. Okay? Let's not go that way. Let's go for a place of love and peace. Let's strive for common ground instead of fighting differences. So please, no sharing about religion, political stance, your vax status, anything divisive. Okay? Let's stay away from that. Let's focus on health and wellness here. I know yung mga Christians, kasi laging may biblical sila, and I respect that. But here, I'd rather that we be, if you're Christian, kasi I'm Catholic, let's be Christ conscious. We don't need to keep quoting the Bible or trying to convince people that Christianity is better. Okay? We have to respect each other's beliefs and political stance. No political campaigns here, please, and no arguing about the vaccination status. Nothing divisive. Let's go for everything collaborative. Okay? No selling of products or services unless related to a post. So please do not post about networking. Okay? If you want, you can probably talk to the people here. You can probably message people if they want, but please make sure you're respecting space, respecting their private spaces. No selling of products or services unless related to a post. But of course, you can invite others to join as well our page. Lalo na kung, kasi the more ideas we get and the more projects we do, syempre, the more people will also need and the more happy we are in creating our own community. So again, thank you po. Let's get to know each other in the next few months. You can share your own hobbies, interests, why you joined, the task you want to handle, and probably your favorite healing food in the comment section. You can do a video like this, or you can also do, kung gusto nyo gumawa ng tula, mag-drawing or something, just share who you are. Be open to getting to know other people as well. And I'll see you in the next few days in our projects. Thank you very much po. Magandang umaga, hapon o gabi sa inyong lahat.